Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going into Walgreens. I am doing another haul because that household essential haul did not go well for me on Sunday. So I'm actually going in here and I'm going to use all paper coupons, but I am not at the same Walgreens. And plus I have two more registered rewards that I must use. So let's go, guys. Okay, I'm gonna grab three of the Irish Springs, and they are at $3.99 each. They are three for $10. I have one digital 75-cent off coupon and two paper digital 75-cent off coupons. I'm gonna use those three coupons. Then I am going to use some Walgreens cash to pay it down. Okay, and a registered reward. Now let's go on to the next deal. The next deal is going to be the icy hot. Oh, also, guys, with I hate to say with the Irish Spring, we are going to get back 75 cents from Ibotta, and I think that's up to 5 times if I'm not mistaken. But let's go here and let's grab the Tide. The household deal is 4 by 4 at $4.99. I have $2 off coupons for the Tide, $1 off Bounty, and $1 off of Sherman that I am going to use. Okay, so I am going to grab two more Tides, and they're at $4.99 each. And then we're going to grab one Bounty Essential. Right here, they're all at $4.99 each. I'm going to show you guys these coupons. And then I'm going to give one Sherman Essential at $4.99. Okay? That's that deal. That should take you up to $19.96. You're going to take away $6. Use Walgreens cash to pay it down and get back a $6 registered reward. Now I want some icy hot. Let's see what the deal is on icy hot because you don't want it to be too expensive. Okay, I'm going to use this 20% off of 10 on that, the household bundles. I'm going to use two of the $2 off of Tide from the May P&G. And if you do not have these $2 coupons that's attached, that's digital in your Walgreens app, you could get two out of the May P&G also. They're $1 each. Okay, for the icy hot, I'm going to grab this one that's $8.99. I have a $2 off coupon from the IVC, Walgreens IVC booklet. Then I have a $2 off coupon that came out of the newspaper. This is called stacking, guys. You can stack these deals. Now, after we stack that, we should pay $4.99 out of pocket. Then we will get $3 back from Ibotta. So I will end, and I'm going to use a $4 Walgreens, a $4 register reward to pay it down. Okay. So I'm going to use. Uh-oh. Okay. Two. That's that. And then, okay. $2. Okay, guys. So this is what we did at Walgreens. I did do all of this was paper. I used no digital deals, all paper deal, all paper deal. So this was one of the good ones. It was an all paper deal. $1 off for the Sherman, $1 for the Bounty. Then I had $2 for each Tide, and then I did the Irish Spring. That it was actually, this is a 18 ounce. That coupon, guys, was for a 20 ounce or larger, but because I didn't read it and she didn't read it, she put them through. So watch using this. This is not the correct coupon for that, okay? Then we did the icy hot, which it was buy one get one 50% off. I stacked coupons out of the Walgreens IVC, and then I used the paper coupon. So they were, it actually took off $8, so it took a whole one off, and then the other one was only 4 some, and then we're gonna submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $3. So that is that one right there. This right here, I used $5 Walgreens cash, and I got $5 Walgreens cash back because this was a buy deal, not a spend deal. And when you have a buy deal, you are able to get your cash back. So on this is the Irish Spring. See that? $6.38, and then I used $5 in Walgreens cash, so I paid $1.38 out of pocket. And then when you go down to here, see that I paid with $5 and I earned $5. So I actually got 1 cent more than what I started with. So I have $39.11 left. So that's a nice easy flip, a buy deal. Buy means use Walgreens cash. Spend you means do not use Walgreens cash, okay? Or you would not get your money back. Now, when I did these two deals, I got the 20% off of 10. So that'll be a great deal to use because that take a nice little amount off. Now, let's get to this deal that glitched on me on Sunday, would not work. But all of these were $4.99 each. $4.99 for the Sherman, $4.99 for the Bounty Essential. Now, a lady in the store argued with the people. Don't argue when you're in the wrong. It says household essentials. She had the red Sherman. Now, I don't know if it worked with that Sherman or not, but again, this did not print out for her. So she was having a big deal with it. But I had already did the deal. And the girl in the front said, well, she did the deal. So I asked her what she did. And then she said, because I don't know. And a lot of the cashiers don't know, they're not couponers. So I told her, I said, well, this is what I got. I got the Sherman Essential, yellow. And then I got the Bounty Essential, yellow. Now, you have that Sherman in the red. That does not have Essential on it. In the ad, I showed her the ad. I said, it says Essential. So maybe that's what you need to do. It says household essential. So that's what you probably need to use. So I just want you guys to make sure you understand that it does say household essential in there, okay? So once we did all of that, where is that Bounty deal at? Here it is. All of that came to $14.96. I used $10 in Walgreens cash. So I paid $6.96 out of pocket, which that was my plan. So that worked out good. Then I got $6 back in registered rewards. And I got another 20% off of $10. So that's the way that deal went, guys. These were all paper deals. I like to do the paper deals because I know a lot of people don't do paper anymore. But I still do paper. I still do paper coupons. You guys know that. Watch my coupon previews. And you know I still do paper coupons. So I try to do digitals because the digitals will disappear. And then I try to do the paper to keep the paper from disappearing. So, easy peasy haul, guys. Make sure that you go and do the icy hot because this is a $3. They're giving you, it's only one time from Ibotta. Get it, submit that receipt. Make sure you go onto Ibotta, go to Walgreens, walk in, hit that icy hot so you can get it, and then scan your receipt when you get it back, and that will give you what you need. Until then, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. And thanks for watching Ivy's Coupon Cap. And we'll see you on another video. Bye. Right there. Those are my kids in the background, yeah. I actually do live normal. My daughter having a house built. She back at my house. Oh my God. It's a lot. It's a lot.